Variation during reproduction. What kind of variations you will observe during reproduction? If you have seen bananas, they all look alike. Why? Because most of the fruits are reproduced asexually, in which only one parent is involved during reproduction. The genetic makeup of only a single parent is transferred, and then all the offsprings will be same. But in the sexual reproduction, we see a huge variety, because in this process two individuals or two parents, female and male, are involved. So this fusion gave rise to many combinations to very same gene set. From the same gene set, you will have a fusion of genes, and it will result in organism looking different from their parents. Now, how it will happen during sexual reproduction? How variations takes place during sexual reproductions? Like first, chance separation of chromosomes during gamete formation. Now, what are gametes? Gametes are sperm in male and ova in female. The formation of these gametes. During these gametes, the separation of chromosomes can take place, and by this the variation will occur. Now how? Now this process is sequential, step by step process. In the first process, they said that the division or the separation of chromosomes during gametogenesis. Now, what is gametogenesis? Now, in the first, gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? Genesis means formation. Formation of gametes is known as gametogenesis. There are two types of gametes, in male sperms and in female ova or egg. Now they said that separation of chromosomes during gametogenesis, when the gametes form, the separation of chromosome. There are 46 chromosomes in the male sperm. They will be separated like in 23 set, then in 4 sets. All the 4 sets will contain the characters of father. It is not important that one sperm will contain only one character. No, all the characters are mixed in all the sperms. The sperm which will fertilize egg, that character will be present in the offspring. Same process will be in the female.